Eat, sleep, and trade. Eat.
非錯對，樂悲笑痛，幻影中似逝去一夢，越近越朦朧，越遠越情濃，最深得失誰中？紅塵盡虛幻，終會空。休說蒼天作夢，紅日虛幻在青山依舊，已經風雨百萬重。紅塵盡歲月應鏡花，一笑滄桑似夢。願葬孤願盡，收到花開花落，願知哭笑被風吹送。 青山依舊，已經風雨百萬重。紅塵盡歲月演鏡花，一笑滄桑似夢。緣在孤緣盡，收到花開花落，願知哭笑被風吹送。哭笑 生非自
Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Can you hear my screen, hear my voice and see my screen clearly? If yes, can give me number 1 in the chat room. Thank you very much. It's a new week now. Yeah, hi everyone, dear Homely members and the investors. Welcome to my live. This is MG from Homely Chat. Okay, we will share you this topic today. Okay, the topic day is ahead of the US election and the budget. Actually, the meeting is already on from yesterday, right? In the Malaysia one. But still need to wait for a few weeks of the results. And okay, thank you very much. Okay, I met Christine. Okay, good afternoon. And we know that there's still a lot of things need to sort out after this budget one. Excuse me, let me. Okay. Okay. Yes, so my topic today is how to lay out, how to prepare for that, how to prepare for that. You know a lot of volatile things here and uncertainty things here. Okay, and also tomorrow, okay, first thing of uncertainty is the election of the US. Yes, the announcement day is November the 3rd, but actually this year, their country will announce the post-mail ballot to arrive. So means that the announcement day might be postponed. Okay, it might be postponed. So this is also for possible points. So which is uncertainty. It's different like before. Everything will be confirmed at that day. Will be announced at that day. But this year is the pandemic thing, right? So some possible insight. Yeah, although all eyes on this U.S. election, and also have other data releases. For example, the PMI, and this Friday we have the non-farm payroll. Okay, all these things, all these data releases also be one of the elements to the share market. Okay, so how to prepare for all of that? So this is what we're gonna share today. Yeah, if you're the first time to watch my live, yeah, here's a brief introduction. Every trading day around 1:10 to 2 p.m., I will have this live for you. It basically to analyze the shares for you, but we also share some brief views of the current market. And here is a way how to analyze your share. Okay, you can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and your trading cycle to 011-1652-7962. Can WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and trading cycle to 011-1652-7962. Yeah, if you use this right form, then I will give you the details and also improve the efficiency of analyzing. Okay, about the US one, okay, this is this disclaimer. So this video is purely for study and discussion. Homely also offer the training classes and the software, but not for core buy and the core sell, to teach you the method how to make stable profit in the share market. So you can always trade with your own risk, with your own independent thinking, which is very important. Okay, and so we can see the US one. US last night, okay, last night have a brief rebound. For example, we check about the Dow Jones, 500 points. Okay, yeah, I think 500 points. Sorry. Okay, that is Monday. Okay, that is Friday. Friday have a rebound, but yesterday it dropped again. Okay, still in this weak area. And before we also say this Dow Jones if analyzed from the technical charts, actually also very close to this line, and also kind of will break down the leg line of this double top. This is double top, right? So you also break down. Yesterday, the third day, okay, if we cannot bounce back, then maybe it will drop further. Okay, drop further. But the technical chart is for reference only. So far, it's not good time for us to focus more on the index. We need to focus more on the individual shares. Before I also mentioned, you still can focus on some good, for example, the concept, the technology shares, and some companies have good quarterly reports, right? Most of the technology companies have released their financial report, and a kind of good one. Okay, kind of good one. So actually, you can find some good share to analyze. You need to combine the value investment, okay, in the US one, because good company always have a chance to cover back, even they going in correction. But this tactical method also applicable. You can also check whether have big market makers, the banker chips inside or not. Is still workable. Okay, this is the Dow Jones. What I want to say is that if you cannot see it very clearly, you cannot see the whole market very clearly, you can just take a rest and learning. Okay, charging yourself, and also include the budget in the US. Okay, in Malaysia. And it will announce, okay, at the November the 6th, okay, November the 6th. But what we need to do is that you need to do some homework about the related concept sector, okay, which is very important. For example, some construction, right? Some construction shares, and if have planned to do something, yeah, you will have some news, and you will at least have some short-term chance. But always need to use the software to verify, because you don't know which one will benefit. Okay, which one benefit. For example, yesterday we also analyzed some logistic counters, right? It shoot up very fast last 2 or 3 days, but actually it's just a short term, haven't confirmed enough trend. So you also know that today, no buy points all the way, it come down again. So it's a very classic case of uncertainty. Okay, don't just all in before you confirm it will go up. Okay, it's just in testing area. Okay. And and also the coronavirus sector, the pandemic related related sector, we also need to be careful, because this is the key point of this budget. Okay, of this budget. Of course, I am also waiting for the result. Okay, then we'll optimize my homework. Yeah, you also need to do, because you need to find some regularity in before's budget. How's the sectors, or how's the shares will be influenced by that one. I still on the halfway. Later on, I will record the video to all of you. But what I want to say, the preparation you need to do is that you need to find the same thing. Okay, find the same thing, and after that we can analyze all the related counters, of course. And also, the second thing is that we can also take a look about this Malaysia market. For example, okay. KLSE. Yesterday we also analyzed the weekly report. We take a look about today's chart. Okay, today's chart. This morning, very slightly negative candle. Now the price is 1463. In our weekly report, okay, in weekly report, we can also take a look. Okay, so here's the weekly report which sent to our members, and we have been find the regularity, okay, in the monthly chart, and also in the daily chart we need to be careful about this price. Okay, this price 1481 is half price of this negative candle. So if it cannot break out, it might become weaker. Okay, and because you already break down this this platform already, so this is a very key platform, but you already break down. Friday already bounced back a little bit, but it's very weak one, and you see today drop back again. So basically that day we say need 3 days, literally 3 days to see whether it can cover back, bounce back at least 1481. Okay, but so far it haven't. Okay, so far it's 1463. Still need to wait for a while. Okay, still need to wait for a while. So now is also not the time for us to focus on the Malaysia one. Okay, but if we break down, you know that the whole market risk affection already increased. So even you still trading, you need to be careful. Means that use less portion, use less capital, and then you can trade for short term, and also make sure just take a profit in time after you win the money. For example, we come back to the logistic. Okay, if tomorrow, if yesterday you can also take a profit in time, then you already make money. Okay, already make money. We can take a look about the hourly chart. Hourly chart of this one. I think today my chart is not so clear, so stable one. Okay, hold on. Okay, we go to the hourly chart because it's kind of fast share. Okay, yesterday we also say we can use 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, you can see today 10:30. Okay, 10:30, the GDEX already appeared their sell point. Okay, already appeared the sell point. This is today 10:30. So be careful, right? You need to take your profit in time. If you're still waiting it back, then you cannot make money. Before yesterday, we also said it's just a short-term chance. Short-term chance means that you no need to wait. It break down the major line because it's just in the beginning area, right? It's just in the beginning area. We can take a look. Yesterday, okay, if you want to check my videos, you can just take in this channel. Yesterday, I upload the share. Okay, upload the videos to analyze the logistic counter. Okay, so this one, so it still cannot very confirm it's in uptrend, only one day, right? So today, it just dropped 14%, okay, 14%. But if this afternoon, it can just turn to red, standing above the major line, you still can do short term, okay? Small portion to short term, no problem. And okay, this is one means that even in this volatile market, you want to trade, control your greedy, okay? Control your greedy means control your capital. And once you make money, you just run, okay? Don't wait for too long. Don't wait the correction back like that. You just run in time, okay? Run in time once you make money. And then do some homework with the concept related. Generally, their budget will also benefit to the pandemic in related shares and also the 5G, right? The technology will also on the keyboard. And about the pandemic one, you maybe talk about the healthcare again. Okay, we can also take a look about the healthcare. Still have some people inside. We can take a look about today's sector. Okay, first. Today's sector, totally half of them is red. Most strong in this morning is construction. Okay, construction. It's just push up by one share, I think 10 times today, all right? So it's a little bit in regularity. The energy have a rebound, okay, have rebound 1.59. Healthcare very slightly up 0.93%, very slightly one. And the transportation and the logistic sector decreased a lot, driven down today's market okay, to some degree. And this morning have 568 shares increase. Actually, most of them is the shares just increase, have go to correction. Today have some rebound, right? So some of investors tell me this morning, say that they lose less today, but only one reboundy day. You need to recognize it's your time to go away or just can add more portion. In current days, if you just get caught before and the rebound is highly possible, another way, another chance for you to run. Okay, trust me. Okay, today have 354 shares down, drop, and the 393 shares make even. So far, no big problem, right? No big problem. So kind of good one today, kind of good one. And also have some glove counter increase today. We can take a look. Okay, take a look about the glove counter. Okay, a few of them are. And if you have, yeah, you can also leave in the comment or to my WhatsApp. I will check for you. For the first one, the top glove didn't rebound today. So still very weak. And before I also analyzed this share in my video, still no good chance. Banker tips only 22% now. So every rebound could be your chance to run again if you're still inside. And okay, Supermax slightly up, but later on you also drop back, and still cannot break out. Okay, still cannot break out the line we've mentioned before. Okay, the line, I mean this line. We can just draw a line here. Why? Still cannot break out. So still very weak. If it can just reach to this area, then drop, then could be okay. But now it didn't reach to that area and then drop back. So means become more weak. And now the banker dips only 40%. Okay, only 40%. And also we can take a look at the one okay, you see the first one MLF ABS. This is a political share counter. So we also check before, no big regularity. But if you want to bet on that, okay, it's your choice. Okay, we can take a look. Marcin have some bounce back, 9.6% today. Okay, and we see the whole trend of this Marcin. Before we also said it's still above this white line, just a little bit deep correction. So today, I think also only short term Tesla. But if you get caught before, I also said you after rebound finished cannot break out the previous high is your chance to run. We can take a look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart, we use this trend expert to check the buy and sell. It's still red color, but this red bar becomes smaller. Okay, means it loses momentum in uptrend. So if in the afternoon it turns to green, just take a profit or cut loss. So far, still cannot make sure it can break out this major line successfully or not. So if before you don't have the counter, you can wait for 1 year. Okay, you can wait for 1 year. When the when that pattern forms, for example, you break out this one and then go back and then still get support by the major line, go back again. So here is your entry point, more safe. Okay, if you enter here, very aggressive. Okay, very aggressive. If this one more stable for you, at least you can see the higher low already. Okay, so this is a machine, and we can take other one. Marco, no other glove counters. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, let me check your counters now. Okay, no big problem. Yeah, Derek asked about the machine. Okay, I just enter already. You do intraday. Okay, very good because you know your style. You will not change all the way. That is good. So this is the intraday. Okay, if you want to trade intraday, this is the one. Quite okay. Quite okay. So far today the price also standing above the yellow line. Before we said if intraday we need to trade at least the price standing above the yellow line, and then if have banker tips inside, okay, of this 1 minute chart, you have bigger chance to win. So today totally maximum you go to 10%. Not bad, right? Not bad. But now it didn't going up because the banker tips also decreased and now it's zero already. But it still haven't break down the yellow line, so mean you still in the safe area. Okay, and you still can consider to hold. But if you're very fast, you can also put the trend expert in the 1 minute chart, and when the red turns to green, you can take a profit. This is for intraday. So if you sell here, if you buy here, 10%, okay, 10% this morning, only 2 hours, okay, only 2 hours. Later on, when the green turn to red, you can buy back again, okay? You can also trade above this yellow line. Okay, this is one for Derek. Okay, we can check others. That also, you want to check the JF get stuck in this share. Okay, we'll take a look at the JF. JF before also have a very big drop, okay, at that day. And I guess you're just chasing high before. Your entry price is, I don't know, what is entry price? But currently, banker chips is still keep decreasing now. We always need to check the fund situation. Otherwise, you don't know this rebound is 1 day or 1 month or right. It's just a short term or long term. Only the rebound with support with the funds, then you will continues in this rally, but it cannot maintain because the banker tips always also haven't maintains. Today drop another 1.02. And we can see the whole trend with this homely rainbow still in uptrend, and you still can consider it as a correction because at least it didn't break down the yellow line. Okay, break down the yellow line. But of course, if you're short term, you should sell earlier. But if you're medium term, still no big problem. Okay, I don't know a trading cycle. So we can take a look about the hourly chart. You can see short-term sell point should be here. Okay, should be here. This is last Friday. Oh no. 2 weeks ago. Last Friday is the chance for you to run. Okay, for you to cut loss. And so this is for short term. But if your medium term still can wait for a while, right? Because it's still in this yellow line. Okay, still in this yellow line. Coma from Mr. Han. Coma medium term. Coma before is very strong. Okay, before it's very strong. Now is kind of a sideways. Today have a little bit bounce back, 4.85. 4.85. And I think because you say you do medium term, if you trade medium term, we need to check the resistance first. Actually, here previous high is around 1.3. Okay, 1.3. Now it's 1.08. Okay, if the 30 cents is your profit space, then should be no problem. And you can also draw another line like this one. Okay. Kind of a breakout. Okay, the first day breakout. If it still can stand in above, then should be no problem. Banker chip so far is 82%. So no big problem, right? No big problem. In safe area, very strong safe area. So consider you have bought it ready, no problem. Then you consider to hold until you reach the previous high. And if cannot break out, you can just take a profit. Okay. From Poi JJ, Busa, C33, Warren, and this one, hold on. And should I cut it now or I want for another while? So it's in downtrend, okay, downtrend. The warrant is expiring on December. Mother gapped up, but warrant not moving. Wonder I should cut or hold further until Friday. Friday expiring date, right? Friday expiring date. Today also keep dropping. Okay, we can take a comparison of the mother share. Mother share also drop a lot. Mother share is no good trend. Today also 2.3% bounce back, very small bounce back. And you can see this bounce back without support of the funds. So it's still very weak. Okay, it's still very weak. So if you want to check a look about this one, and I think, okay, we go to the, you do short term, right? All the way is below the major line. Okay, also need to find a way to cut loss. And also just turn to green already. Just now it already turned to green already, so need to be careful. Okay, need to be careful. And because the whole trend is not good, so even now you are loose, or maybe we have another rebound. Will be just a very small rebound because totally there's a very weak share. Okay, very weak share. If we use the rainbow, you can see already kind of break down the yellow line. Okay, maybe you think you will get support. You will have support by the white line, but still have some space. I think 3 days, 4 days, 3 days cannot reach to this one, or maybe it can now, maybe it can, but in current decision, in current way, is not very strong share. Okay, it's kind of weak share, and even have rarely just rebound. Okay, we also mentioned find a rebound to take a profit in time. Okay, oh gosh, this is who is this? Yeah, yeah, YK. Okay, yeah, YK. 8379 looters. 8397. Oh, sorry, 8397. From yeah. Dual name. Dual name is also logistic. Okay, logistic. You do short term. Short term today have no chance. Okay, I think you should take a profit in time. And last night, I don't know if you listen to my live or not. This hourly chart have sell point ready. Okay, have sell point ready. If you use hourly chart, also have sell point. Today 10 a.m. have sell point. Short term need to sell ready. Okay, be careful. So before maybe you make profit from here to here. Okay, totally you have. Sorry. Totally, we have 5.8% profit, but already mentioned sell point now. Okay, after sell here, later on, if it turn to red, okay, but now there's no buy point. Be careful. Mm, okay, hold on. Let me check your shares now. In this comment, okay, I will check for you. Christine, 2137. Gopang, 2137. 2137. Eh? You put the wrong share? I cannot find the share, Christine. I cannot find the share. Or is it? No, the share. Or maybe we share. You will send me again. Good afternoon. And we have. Okay, Malcolm 0168. 0168. This is the one. Okay, short term. Short term, we can just if in the trend analyze the share, no problem. Short term, no problem. And we go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart short term also have sell point at 12 o'clock. Be careful. Okay, 12 o'clock have a sell point. And you can need to take a profit in time. And also in the daily chart, we can see it cannot break out the previous high. Okay, previous high. This rally means in some correction. Okay, so short term, the characteristic for short term is just need to take a profit in time. Okay, need to react very fast. Lamb 5095. And this is also strong share, and your enterprise is 50 cents. Short term, no problem. And we can also find some resistance before, right? Resistance before, but hold on. Currently, I think short term no big problem. We go to hourly chart, use the trend expert, have a buy point. Yesterday 4 p.m. Okay, yesterday 4 p.m. Till now is still red color. Still can consider to hold. Just not so fast because in the hourly chart there's no big bankers inside. Okay, no big money to push it up, so a little bit slowly. So you see, kind of a volatile, It's kind of a frequent trading here. Okay, short term no problem. Now also no sell point. Okay, I think you remember, right? So you use software to follow. No problem. Pong, can you check 4723? 4723. Jacks. Jacks. enter at 45 cents. Was a very volatile. So you see, this share, whether good for short term to buy. So you haven't bought it, you bought it already, 45 cents. Short term, if you already bought, you see our daily chart, there's not much banker chips, only slightly banker chips. So can only do short term. Short term, and trying to break up the major line. So far, they have some resistance. If this afternoon it cannot break out and turn to green, just take a profit. Because this share, there's no big bankers to push it up. So it's very short-term chance for you. So if the daily chart already have banker chips to support, so after the correction, you have big momentum in uptrend. Okay, in uptrend. SYN. Yesterday it fell, but why it showed a green candle? You mean KLCI? Yes, it failed, but it's gapped down. This is it's a faked positive candle. Actually, it's a real negative candle. Okay, so this is a faked one. Why is green color? Because their close price is higher than the open price. So it's green color. But why is it negative? Because it's lower than the previous day. So this is a faked negative candle. And we can also find some faked positive candle. For example, I will choose one for you. Mm, cannot find it here. Okay. So okay, for example here. Wait, hold on. So you can see here, it also going up. Why is negative candle? Actually, it's a positive candle. So this is is a faked negative candle. So this is basic knowledge for the candlestick. It doesn't meet the term. Just now missed your season. There's no this share 2137 Christy. XOX KKGM. XOX. Yeah, this is a share have good bounce back today. And we know that this company have cooperated works with Ant, China Ant, and now China Ant listed in China Mainland and Hong Kong, right? With the world largest IPO. Okay, so it was benefit a little bit. That's your question, right? And your question, 12%, 12 cents. You want to do short term. I think no big problem, but still have a lot of locked retailer. They have chasing high before, so get caught a lot. I think short term no problem. We go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart we use the trend expert to track. Also already break out the major line. So now still consider to hold. Okay, no big problem. A little bit, okay, the bar already become thinner, so means a little bit lose moment in uptrend, but so far it haven't turned to green, so still can consider to hold as short term. Okay, Roborex from Yong, today also have bounce back, okay, bounce back, but don't just easily average down. It's not the best time to average down. And we can see 7%. Okay, 7%. I think to short term, no problem. Short term, once you make money, just run. Okay. Hourly chart, you see these short term are also below the major line. So later on, if it turn to green, just take your profit in time. Okay, goodie. Okay, Jimmy. Kako. 7230. Tome. Tome have very good intraday, no problem. Intraday. Yes, the gold will also be influenced by the election. You can check because it related to the U.S. index, the U.S. dollars. Sorry, U.S. dollars. Intraday we go to tick chart. Intraday, today is gap up. Okay, today I think it's gap up. So it's just open higher and goes down. If you lay out before already, then I think today is your chance to run. Okay, because you just break down. Okay, you just break down the major line. Okay, if you lay out before, you need to sell this morning. Okay, need to sell this morning. And we can also see there's no bankers anymore. If this afternoon it can cover back, okay, cover back and standing above the yellow line, you might have another chance. But if not, I think you need to sell when the price open. Okay, when the price open. This for Kaku. We can also tell you about the whole chart of this Tomei. Whole chart of the Tomei. Very deep correction. It gets support by the white line, the blue line. Blue line is half yearly line. Okay, half yearly line. Now it gets support and have some bounce back. Banker tip is still very less, only 8%. So very short term, small portion, short term, no problem. Okay. This is another Roborex. Yong. I just analyzed for you already. The Roborex. And after then, what's the code number? EWINT. What about that? Echo what is also political related share, right? Property one still very weak. Okay, still very weak. And your enterprise is 46. 46. Get call already. Get call already. Today just very slightly rebound. Still very weak. Okay, be careful. 46 is around here. Okay, it's a little bit chasing high. 46 here. You find a rebound finish to cut loss and switch to a stronger share. Okay, this is not a strong share. Still in this area, and I guess you do value investment. You do value investment. It's still too early for us to enter. Okay, still too early. Even you really want to try very small capital to try the rebound, but you see how the rebound also very weak. Today no chance, right? Today no profit. Okay, today no profit. Be careful, man. And yeah, the strong share for short term. You go to the quotes. You find some strong share with good regularity, which you can see it very clearly. For example, the first one, you just gap up 10 times, is really the regularity really hard for us to take. Okay, so this is not your choice. Okay, this is not your profit. This is for the profit of this share is for those know the inner news already. Okay, or maybe they have long-term layouts already. They trust this party. Okay, so no matter how drop, okay, how low, they will just buy it without hesitate. Okay, so we can find the other regulator which is easy for us to check. This one is negative, just a pass. Okay, this top gainer share. So this share also can only do intraday, right? Intraday. This is not good. So you see, if the market is not very good, even some shares increase, but not good shares increase. So still not a chance. Marcin just now we also analyzed already. This is a strong share, you see. 5001. I think Mr. Sin also want to check the share, right? MIECO. This is strong share. Then you can trade. It's also long term very good. Okay. 5001. And you see the long term like this. Okay, we check the weekly chart. Weekly chart also okay lah. Monthly chart, quarterly chart. You see quarterly chart. Quarterly chart also we can find the high low already, right? High low already, and still have some space. So I think this is one of the strong share in the current market. So you go through the top gainers. You don't only focus on today. You combine the whole trend. So today, if you do intraday, you also can trade. Today intraday here, break out the Okay, wake up the yellow line already. You chase here, and then here now already have at least 8% already, right? 8% or 7%, I think already. And the next one, this one is also aggressive one, right? Only very short-term chance. This one also okay, right? PIE also okay because whole trend you see, no retailers, banker chips is 67%. Also no problem, okay? But need to take a profit in time because it's also a lot of volatile. Sorry. This one, short term, no problem, right? Banker chips keep increasing. Now banker chips 46% is trying to break up this one, trying to break up the previous high. So short term chance also can. This one, Tome, we just analyzed already. This is new share, very small rebound. Okay, too early for us to enter. This one, Tech Fast. Tech Fast is also the logistic one, right? Logistic. Original retailer, banker chips is 71%. So far, short term also no problem. And oh, good, pass. Also rebound. Iris also rebound. Don't just average down here. If you get caught there, it's your chance to run again. Okay. Okay, so so, and of course, if you have other counters you want to check after the live, okay, you can also contact me. I think today the internet is a little bit slow. I cannot find my slide here. Hold on. Yeah, I can see your comments a little bit late. So, okay. Okay, I will check another share for you. Christine, you appeared again. 0105. Asia Play. Is also in correction area. It's it's a highly possible top area. Be careful. Your enterprise is 45 cents, so a little bit high. And you can see bank chips keep decreasing now, 48% now. Even today, slightly bounce back, but you can see the bank chips keep decreasing. Okay, bounce back, but bank chips keeps decreasing compared to yesterday. Another 5 cents. Okay, another 5 cents decrease. Be careful. Find a rebound to cut loss. Okay, this is not so strong share. But better also wait for rebound to cut loss, then you can lose less. Okay, can lose less in the. Okay, each share one counter. Yes, if you want to check more shares, analyze your shares after the live. If you want to attend Homeless preview class, and also if you want to subscribe my WhatsApp broadcast. In my WhatsApp broadcast, I will share some updated news and some all the live videos we also sent in my WhatsApp group first. Okay, the first notification, and also has some preview class I will also send in my WhatsApp broadcast. So if you want to attend, just reply me 1 or 2 or 3 to 011 1652792. Okay. Can just send to 011 1652792. And also we have branch in KL Central, Austin High, and Penang Hotel Royal. But now it's CMCO, so we don't accept offline coaching. We offer the online coaching and online class. All the things we can keep in touch, and then we update you the market views and the shares analysis. Okay. Thank you very much. And if you can benefit from today's video a little bit, just give me a like and then share share this video out to your friend, and also can subscribe the channel. You can and turn on the bell, then you can receive all the notification of this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for your time. Hope you can stay healthy and stay profitably. Okay, thank you. Bye for now. See you tomorrow. Okay.
重逢，夢中。